David Blaine fooled Logan Paul by making his selected card teleport into a wallet not just once but two times. First time into the wallet and second time into the picture of the empty wallet they took earlier. And here is how you can also do it without using any gimmick. Yes, the wallet was a gimmick. Also watch till the end because I'm going to be sharing a bonus technique for doing this trick in a visual way. So for this, you need one duplicate card and you have to know two moves. Number one is card forcing and number two is a double lift. Card forcing is the technique of forcing your spectator a playing card but making it look like a free choice. And double lift is lifting two cards at once, which eventually hides the face of the top card. I'm going to show you how to use a regular normal wallet and sleight-of-hand for this trick as not everyone will have access to these special wallets. So before the trick, I'm going to place the duplicates on the top of the deck. I will use a different colored card back so that you know what is going on the entire time. So at first, I ask someone to inspect the wallet that I'm using. And then I take it back, show the inner side and the outer side, and as I flip it close, I have essentially loaded the duplicate card between the flaps and then keep it somewhere safe where no one can touch it. To do this, I have the duplicates on the top of the deck, and while showing the back of the wallet, I slide one of them in the center and close the flap. To make this action as stealth as possible, you have to be very smooth and casual about it. Don't think about it, messing up is easy when the mind is messed up. Once the wallet is loaded and with the spectator, I then force the other playing card and make it look like it's their free choice. Once they have seen the card, I ask them to put it back on the top of the deck and then make a magical gesture and tell them that the card has traveled to the wallet. I then do a double lift, essentially hiding the card they kept on the top, and they are shocked. Now I ask them to open the flap of the wallet, they see their card and get shocked again. Now for the bonus effect that I told you at the beginning, after the spectator selects the forced card, I keep the card face up and visually vanish it from the top of the deck, and then make it travel into the wallet. I do it using the Houdini or the Ernest change. I basically glide the next card on top of it by hiding it under my palm. Now, as a bonus tip, you can keep the loaded wallet on the table and then ask someone to keep their phone or hand on it so that they open the wallet only when you ask them to. Because sometimes people like to feel smart, if you know what I mean. Now, in the second part, where the card appears inside the wallet in the photo, can obviously be done with a gimmicked wallet and also without a gimmicked wallet. And both of these methods are just too good to give away for free. So if you want to know them, make sure to mention that in the comment section. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to get more amazing updates like this one.